just on a nice sunny day we can walk up there.
We should do.
Literally up the road here.
We should do. He's just pulled out. Just pulled straight out. She just pulled straight out. He stalled it because of it.
The road here.
We should do. He's just pulled out. Just pulled straight out.
Well, that's a good way.
No. Yeah, there is for her, the white car.
Yeah.
That could have been a serious smash, that. You mean down here, don't you?
Yeah.
She was trying to cross with a pram there. She stood 20 metres from pedestrian crossing. They were, weren't they? Don't do it. Don't do it. What the fuck's that?
Okay. He did not curl one bit then.
Hey, it was a girl.
She,
oh, I thought you said he.
She did not curl
She
one bit.
just didn't give a crap. And she stopped looking at me because I stared at her. She looked at me. She did. Go on. Go on. What are you doing? Maybe put a...
Cars on.
Yeah, but I flashed him. I flashed him again. That's completely illegal. That is. There's no number plate. There's no lens on the right one. He's just cut the roundabout. What are you doing? What? No one even got a dent in your car, you prick.
What's happening?
My God!
Yeah, don't come this way again. You give way to your right, he didn't see you, he didn't.
Yeah, but he looked at me and he had a go at me.
You know what I did him?
Because he's cut the corner.
The blooming roundabout, he didn't go the right way. He's not even.
I mean, he woke up, but I mean, he's already got one dent in his door. How many does he want? There's no lens on the right one. He's just cut the roundabout. What are you doing? I think he was just chatting away, just didn't look.
I think he threw him going the other way around the roundabout. He thought he had time, and then obviously you used the roundabout correctly, and it threw him completely.
You're right, because I used it right, he thought I was turning left. So he just presumed that everybody cuts me in the roundabout. What's he doing now?
I have no idea. Even that fella's looking at him funny.
Diesel smoke.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to check them after.